Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the two-step factor authentication. So what does that mean? Basically, this is kind of what a lot of banks use, but what it does is it will either send you a text message or it will give you a code that you'll need to enter into the login page. So a lot of times, the reason why it's called two-factor is because you'll have to log in, number one. But once you've logged in, you'll have to use some sort of app. So this way, you really protect yourself from actually getting a brute force attack. A brute force attack is basically somebody trying to log in to your WordPress site. But in order to do that, they have to guess hundreds of times or even thousands of times what your password might be. Now, we're going to talk more about password and things to avoid in the future videos when we talk about password protection. But for now, this is basically what we recommend. There are two different plugins that we recommend using. Number one is SecSign, S-E-C sign. So you can find this under the plugins section by typing in SEC sign. The way this works and the way that this is a little bit different is that it allows you to use your phone and your fingerprint to actually log in. So you don't have to remember your password or anything like that. You simply use this to log in. So that's one. And it's all very, very easy to use. I'm not going to show you how to use it because they're really, really easy to use. So this is going to be a fairly quick video. So definitely recommend that. So if you go over here and you type in SecSign, this is what it is. Now, the second app that we highly recommend that is actually by Google. Now, the app wasn't made by Google, but it utilizes Google's Authenticator. Now, let me explain how this works. So let's say, for example, that you log in, you enter your username and password, and then you're presented with this. Now, you're not going to see this. This is actually on your mobile phone. And I want to say I just grabbed an image from the Google Play Store. So this is not really mine, but this is what it looks like. So you're going to have a mobile app, and then on your computer, you're going to see the login page. So what it's going to ask is it's going to ask you to enter a code. Now, the reason why this is really good is you see this little circle here. It looks like a pie chart, but it's actually a circle. This is a timer. It's a 30-second timer that once gone, this number changes. So basically every 30 seconds, the number changes and you get a unique code. So you need to make sure that you can wait till the 0, it changes, and then immediately enter that number into your WordPress login page and you'll get in. The reason why this works really well is because unless somebody really is there, they have your phone and all that, they can't log in. Now, there are other ways that somebody can hack your site. They can do it via other ways, but that's why we highly recommend that you follow this step by step and you install a WordPress security and firewall plugin. And to install that plugin, you simply go to your plugins page, type in Google Authenticator, click install now, and that's it. Now, you do need to connect things, but everything is fairly self-explanatory. And that's it.